and welcome to the studio. I'm so excited you're here because it's always awesome to see you, and also because today we're drawing one of my favorite animals, even though they make me sneeze. That was a fake sneeze, but they make me sneeze for real. I still think they're so cuddly and so cute. That's right, we're drawing a cat. Let's do it. We're gonna start off with two pointy ears for our cat, and I'm gonna round them out just a little bit so they look extra sweet. Now it's time to draw in the rest of our cat's head. I'm gonna finish off this oval. Now we're going to make a rectangle that's a little more narrow at the top and has rounded corners for the body of our cat. Let's add in the front legs. A line down like this, and then the middle. Here's a little paw, here's a little paw, and now we'll add in our tail. This cat is going to have spots, I think, so I'm going to add those in now. Cat nose, a little cat mouth, some whiskers, of course, and some eyes.
Meow. Meow.
So cute! Let's color it in. Last but not least, the little pink nose. Meow! I love this cat. It looks so cuddly. If you had a pet cat, maybe you do, what would you name it? Or what is yours named? My little sister used to have a pet cat named Pink Nose. That was his name. And I think I would call this one Pink Nose too. I love drawing with you and just making all sorts of things with you. If you want to draw and make more things with me, subscribe to this channel, Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. I'll see you soon.